Well, hello there. I'm Carl, but you can call me the Blackwood Man. I didn't always look like this. In fact, I used to look like this.
I know, cute, right?
But as you can see, I eventually found my way. And so can thousands of other men given the right tools, guidance, and products, and just a pinch of black magic, or should I say, Blackwood magic. Roll product beauty shots.
We're a premium grooming line dedicated to meeting the rapidly refining needs of the everyday modern man with a luxury level experience. High quality formulas meticulously crafted with men's bodies and desires in mind, each infused with not just one or two, but many natural botanicals that nourish and protect hair and skin. Like licorice root, green tea, peach leaf, and honey, plus Asian botanicals you won't find in other men's products, like tsubaki oil to moisturize and tanakura clay to absorb toxins. And all in a sleek, recycled black package that's easy for a guy to grab, use, and love.
Now's a good time to point out something else about this. Along with the recycle icon, you'll also find a cute little bunny and fish on the back.
Check it out. Adorable. But also important, all our products are microbead free. That means they're ocean safe. Our products are also all cruelty free. They never have been and never will be tested on animals.
But do guys even care about this stuff? Maybe not. Maybe they don't want products that not only cleanse but also naturally restore and protect. Maybe they prefer products that defile our natural waterways. Maybe they don't want to save beautiful, sweet, innocent little fluffy bunny rabbits.
Not even this baby bunny, who's so sweet and cuddly, and we'd never test a product on them. Not in a million years, not for all the tasty carrots in all the gardens in all the world. It's maddening.
Sure, maybe they don't care, but we're guessing they do. And we're also guessing that they care about simplicity, effectiveness, multifunctionality. They want products that do a lot in a small amount of time. Ease of use. They don't want to think about it, they just want it to work. They want to look good, smell good, feel good, versatility, choices, the power to do things their own way. Is that even your orange juice?
It is now.
Oh. Roommates. Blackwood For Men products. They're designed to meet these needs. Guys can look at them, know what they're getting, how it works, and why they want it right away.
Take our Pure Moisture body wash. One single squirt is enough for most guys to make it through an entire shower. The menthol in it is a real wake-up call. And with a large bottle, a guy can use it over and over for weeks or even months without needing a new one. Same goes for our shampoos and conditioners. Active Man Daily Shampoo has ginseng root and Schwercia japonica to help stimulate hair growth and prevent damage from frequent washing. And Active Man Conditioner has clove flower to help thicken hair and soothe the scalp. Our unique hair hydrator works as a leave-in conditioner before styling or a finishing spray after, keeping hair soft, safely hydrated, and smelling great.
Premium grooming products custom made in Japan for men everywhere who demand more. More botanicals.
More benefits for skin and hair, body and soul. More choices. Washes for guys with combination skin, with dry skin, with oily skin. More convenience. Clear, coherent information on sturdy, locking bottles that are perfect for guys on the go.
Simply put, a brand that's ready to make a difference and have some fun on the way. You come?